Ready to go.
Okay. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Now, it's been good times around here lately. Good things have been happening all over the place. So we decided to upgrade our riding lawnmower and go to something a little bit bigger and something shiny and new. Now, I've had John Deere riding lawnmowers for the last 20 years, and I've loved them. I bought an L100 back when they were the new cool thing, and probably 20 years ago. And then I upgraded it to the D130 that you see all the time in videos, and it's been a workhorse. I got it in 2017, and it just kept running. Now, I went through Home Depot and Lowe's and Tractor Supply and every store in the world and every little small specialty shop in Texas looking around for just the perfect lawnmower, and I finally found one. Now, I know a lot about fixing a zero-turn mower, but I didn't know much about using them on a day-to-day basis. So I called my buddy Ronaldo over at Big Son's Lawn Care, another YouTube channel. You got to check him out. I asked him what would he pick, because he has a Time Master, and I believe he also has one of these. And he said that he preferred the Cub Cadet over the Time Master a little bit. So I focused on it. And this is it, the Cub Cadet Z2 46-inch mower. And I picked the Z2 because it's got a fabricated deck and it's got that great big Kawasaki motor. And as most of you know, the Kawasaki motors on riding lawnmowers just last forever. I love Briggs & Stratton to death, but the Kawasaki motor is just a stronger motor. So let me show you what we got. Now, this is a Z2 46-inch mower, and you can't think that it's 4 inches bigger. You've got to think that it's 10% bigger, or almost 10% bigger, and that saves you a few passes in the yard every time. And this thing comes with a bunch of stock features, like it's got the light bar, and more importantly, it's got the fabricated deck. This deck is bulletproof. It's designed for commercial applications, so it'll last me the rest of my life, I'm sure. And you can see, I ran around the yard once and I already nicked it once. This is the sell point, though. I really wanted a Kawasaki motor. The two things I wanted when I started looking for them were the Kawasaki motor and the fabricated deck, and the ability to carry a trailer hitch, because I use it to move my trailer around the yard all the time. So the only thing that I don't have on this that I want so far is a mulcher. I haven't found a mulcher for the 46-inch Cub yet, but I'm sure they're out there someplace. I'm going to go visit little shops today and see if somebody can pull something off for me. Okay, we've got our crash hat on and we're ready to take this thing for a ride. So we're going to do a quick loop around the yard, and I'm not real good with it yet because I've been using one with the steering wheel for the last 20 years here, but I'm learning. So let's get started. Now, I'm not completely comfortable running this thing around the yard yet, and I don't have a pattern, and that makes it a little bit more difficult. With the steering wheel and that little 42-inch John Deere, I knew exactly where I was going all the way around the yard, and so it was lickety-split. I cut the yard with this yesterday, and it took me about 22 minutes to cut the whole yard. Now, with the John Deere, it took 35 every single time. You could set your watch by how fast I could get the yard cut. So first pass was 22. I'm kind of betting I can cut it to 18 minutes. And in Texas, where it can be 100 degrees at sunrise, taking 15 minutes of cutting the yard away is a win. So thank you for watching. And if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. It's free, and we do appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.